And welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2021 in practice chapter 8 guided project 821. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course help on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, and all Microsoft Access, and other courses like MATLAB Accounting, MATLAB Finance, MATLAB Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, my lab management, business classes, and many more online courses. If you need help in any class, any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. I will handle your complete class. You will be free from this class. So we will go to MC Grahil Simnet, and today our project is the Excel 2021 in practice chapter 8 guided project 821. Download link. Click the start file link, then complete the project using the instruction below. Click on start file requires. We will click on start file. The file will be downloaded in our PC download folder. We will open our file. You can see this is guided project 821. So okay, skill covered in this project: set macro security option, saved a macro enabled template, record a VBA macro. You can read this all skill covered in this project. And file needed: void logistics XLS file. Step to complete this project is here. More the step as chat. When you complete them, open the void logistic add XLS file, start file. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if detected. So if directed to do so, your instructor, and so save it. So we will click on enable editing button. So question number 2 is that set macro security and display the developer tab. Point A of question number 2 is that click the options command and click trust center in the left pane. File tab and click trust center in the left pane. Okay. First we will go to the Excel workbooks, then we will find option command. Okay, we will go to the file tab, go to the options, and we will click on trust center. Just we will select macro setting. Okay, in the left pane you can see I have done this. So point C of question number 2, verify or select disable VBA macros with notification and click OK. Verify or select disable VBA macros with notification and click OK. Corporate and early Excel versions may display disable all macros with notification. Okay, this is good. So point D is that click customize ribbon in the left pane, display the developer tab. We will go to the developer tab, click the customize ribbon in the left pane. Okay, this is good. So question number 3 is that save the workbook as macro enabled template. Choose save as from the file tab. We will go to the file tab, click on save as this PC, and go to the pictures. Okay, void logistic 8 file name, and so point B is that choose Excel macro enable template in the save as type list. Note that the custom office template folder is selected. Okay, click save. Okay, save as a type Excel macro enable template. So we will click save button. Okay, this question is done. So I'm going to do question number 4 of this project. In question number 4, record a macro with relative reference to date stamp the sheet. Click the use relative reference button to enable the command developer tab code group. Click the use relative reference button. We will go to the Excel workbook, go to the developer tab in the code group. We will click on use relative reference button. Okay. So point B, select cell H1. Okay, cell H1 is selected. So point C, click the record macro button, developer tab, code group. We will go to our Excel workbook and we will find record macro button in the developer tab code group. Okay, we will find record macro button. So go to the developer tab, go to the code group, click on record macro button is here. So point D, type date stamp in the macro name box. You will not use a shortcut because you will assign the macro to a button. We will type date stamp. Macro name is date stamp, and you will not use a shortcut because you will assign the macro a button. Point D, verify or choose this workbook in the store macro in box. So we will click the description box, type insert date text and click OK. Description box, we will type insert date text, click OK. So point G is that type is equal to select today and press enter. Type is equal to enter today function and press enter. It will be show today date. So point H is that press the up arrow one time and press Ctrl plus C. This copies today date to the clipboard. Okay, press the up arrow one time and press Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus C. So this copies today's date to the clipboard. Then we press Ctrl plus V to paste the date in cell H1. We will paste this date in cell H1. First we will copy this date and we will paste this date in cell H1. Okay, paste in specials. Okay, this is good. So press escape to remove the moving border. Click the stop record button to the right of the ready indicator in the status bar. The screen tip for the button is a macro is currently record. Click to stop recording. Okay. So point M is that click the use relative reference button to disable the command. Okay, go to the developer tab in the code group, click on use relative reference button. So moving on question number 5, I have done 4 questions of this project so far. You can see on my laptop screen. Question number 5, test the macro. Delete the content of cell H1 and select cell H2. We will select cell H1, we will delete this content and select cell H2. So point P, click the macros button, developer tab, code group. We will go to our Excel workbook and we will find our developer tab. Go to the developer tab in the code group, select macros, click on macros and We will run. Okay. Select date step and click run to the data is entered as text in cell H2. This is done. So point D is delete the content of cell H2. Delete the content of cell H2. Okay, this is good. So question number 6. Record a macro with absolute reference to display unique contractor names. Point A. Confirm that the use relative reference pattern developer tab code group is not active. So point B, click the record macro button, developer tab code group. We will go to the developer tab in the code group. Use reference is not active. This is confirmed. So point B, click the record macro button. So point B is that we will click the record macro button. Go to the developer tab in the code group. We will click on record macro button. You can see we will find record macro button. We will go to the developer tab and go to the code group. Click on record macro button is here. Record macro button is open right now. So the next point we will type sort unique in the macro name box. You will use sort and unique from the lookup and reference category. Okay, we will type sort unique in the macro name box. We will copy this sort unique and we will go to the macro name box. We will type sort unique in the macro name box. So the next is that do not use a shortcut key. Point E is that verify the choose this workbook is the store macro in box. So point F is that click the description box and type display constructor for this period and click OK. In the description box you can see I have typed display constructor for this periods. Click OK. Okay, you can see I have done 75% of this project in my video. For remaining question and if you want to read for this complete MC Grahil seminar course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do your complete MC Grahil seminar course, all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access. And if you need help in your any other class, you can contact me. I will do for you complete class with A+ grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my student. Thank you so much.